Hello students, how are you? Now today we are starting one new topic in this quadratic equation. How to find out the roots of quadratic equation by factorization. So by factorization, how to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. So now I am taking one equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. First of all, what you will do, you make the factors of this equation. Just you split by middle term. Hear this. So how will you see? It is a, b, c. Last term is minus 10, and then if you multiply, then you will get minus 10. If you add and subtract, you must have minus 3. And in which table 10 are coming? Simple you saying. So 5 2 ja, 10 1 ja, 10. 5 2 ja 10, or 5 plus 2, 7, but it is minus 3 here. Then it is, what do you say? 5 plus 2, 7. What do you say? 5 2 ja 10 and 5 minus 2, 3 is coming. But if I will take minus and 1, because middle term is minus, then you take minus 5 into 2, minus 10, minus 5 plus 2, you will get minus 3. So you split this middle term by minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Clear this? So how you are splitting? First you see the last term, the product is same, and then add subtract, the middle term will come, then you are getting this. Otherwise you can take, if you are taking 10 1 ja 10, and 10 plus 1 11, 10 minus 1 minus, only 9 is there, then this is reject. So this is correct here, so that I have taken this. Now in first two and last two, here x common, x minus 5, plus 2 common, x minus 5. So x minus 5 outside, and inside x plus 2 equal to 0 is there. So product of two terms are equal to 0. If product of two terms is equal to 0, it means either 1 0, then 0 into something 0. So you can say either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 2. So x equal to 5, x equal to minus 2, these are the solution of the given equation. These are the solution of the given equation in a variable, and these are the solution are called roots of the quadratic equation. So therefore roots are 5 minus 2. Hear this. So same, simple. So we are doing the factorization. We are making the factor. Product of two term is 0, either this 0 or this 0. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. So one more part I am taking, third part, which you say it is typical part. So I am taking that one also. Other parts you will try at home. Which part? I am taking third part. You see third part here. What is saying? Find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. He is saying root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. You see, this is typical equation. So now how to find out the roots of this equation by factorization method. So same method. So first term and the last term you multiply. in this way. 5 root 2 multiply root 2 is root 2 2 and this is 10. So first term and last term coefficient multiply, then you are getting 10. Now you make the factor of 10. In which table 10 is coming, you can say 5 to the 10, 10 1 ja 10. If you say 10 1 ja 10, 10 plus 1 11, 10 minus 1 9, but you want 7, so it is wrong. So 5 to the 10, 5 plus 2 7. So you can write root 2 x square, 5 plus 2 7, 5 to the 10 we are getting. Then you split this middle term, 5x plus 2x. So this is clear. So now first two term and last two term, what is common? First two term, here root, only x is common, root is not common, x square x, so x is common, so x into root 2x plus 5. So here what is a? In this 2 means root 2 multiply root 2. So this root 2 common inside, root 2x, root 2 outside, plus 5 equal to 0. So root 2x plus 5, this complete outside, and this is, you can see x left, this complete outside, x left, this complete outside, root 2 left. Hear this. So now product of two terms is equal to 0. And what will say? Either root 2x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus root 2 equal to 0. So root 2x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5 by root 2, and then here x is equal to minus root 2. So therefore roots of the equation are, because these are the solution of the equation, and solution of the equation, these are called roots of the equation. So roots are minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. Hear this. So in this way you can find out the roots of the given equation. If typical in irrational form also, you can solve. Understand? One more I am taking, that is a fraction part. Clear this problem? Now one more part I am doing, so that concept will be clear and there will be no problem. So it was third part, and fourth part I am solving. Fifth part you will solve at home. So now 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 equal to 0. So what you will say? 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. If fraction is there, what you will do? If fraction is there, you will take whole LCM. It will be easy for you. So it is 2 upon 1, 8 is 1 upon 1. Now 8 is LCM. By taking LCM, simplify. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 1 ja 8, and now it is minus 8x. 8 1 ja 8, 1 1 ja 1 is there. Now in next, what will do? You cross multiply here. So 16x square minus 8x plus 1, 8 into 0, that is 0. So this is the quadratic equation in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now you make the factor. If any fraction will come in equation, then you will take LCM. So in same you see fifth part, in this form you can solve yourself. So now what is the method? First term coefficient and last term coefficient multiply. 16 1 ja 16. If you multiply, you will get 16. But if you add and subtract, you must got 8. It means sometimes in lower classes you know very well. A, B you want 16 and A plus B you want minus 8. So you make the factor of 16. So you can say 16 1 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16. In which table 16 is coming, you see. So 16 on 16, 16 on 1, 16 on 1, 17. But you want 8, it is wrong. 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16 and 4 plus 4, 8 is coming. Then same simple, you can break in this way, minus 4x plus 1. So this is the correct way. So you can check minus 4, minus 8. Hear this, and minus 4 into minus 4, this is 16. It means minus 4 with sign you will take, that it will be easy for you in future. So now first 2, last 2. In this common, 4x common, 4x minus 1. Here minus 1 common, only sign will change. So this is 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. So this is 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Clear this? So now product of these two terms is 0. So either 4x minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So 4x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 4. 4x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 4. So these two they are same, but these are the roots. So therefore roots are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So my dear students, first you learn this also. If multiplication power is 2, then maximum 2 roots will come. No 3 roots will come. If power is 2, then maximum 2 roots will come. Clear this? And these roots are the solution of the equation, and in this we are saying these are the roots of the quadratic equation. Sometimes we say these are the roots are. These roots, sometimes you suppose alpha, beta are the roots of the given equation. Sometimes we give the name also. These are the two roots. One is alpha, one is beta. So next time also we write some applications upon this quadratic equation. So first today you revise this, how to find out the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. Understand?